குட் மார்னிங். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருவே துணை, திருநீலியம்மன் துணை, ஓம் ஸ்ரீ வீரசாந்த மகாகாளி துணை. Number 1. Engaging in a profession in the field related to writing and literature. Answer. Mercury Karma record, Rohini Uttiram Puradam, second Bhava and second Lord, third Bhava, both these should be associated with Lagna or 10th Bhava. Addition of 1 3 10 1 2 3 10 2 3 1 10. Literature related to foreign language. Mercury Rahu Karma 239 23 Jupiter 110 1 2 3 9 10 conjuncting and aspecting. Next, Cancer Lagna is a common problem. Answer. Pusam 1 2 3 4, Ashlesh 1 2 3 4. She born in Cancer Lagna and had Sun Karma and should think and do what her father says. Don't buy property in father's name. If you buy like that, your child will suffer financial losses. This is the truth that causes resentment. Do not buy public property. If it is a joint family, the property should not be bought entirely in the father's name. Your labor will go to your brothers. There is no problem if you are an only child. Next, fourth Bhava, fourth Lord, fourth house. Answer. If the fourth Lord sits in the fourth house, there is no stability in buying and selling property. They are double-minded, thus they miss a good opportunity. In the case of property, he is in a state of confusion and confuses others as well. They don't actively make decision about property. It should be changed. The decision should be firm in their decision. Next, connection 9449. Answer. Care should be taken in the case of Rahu in house, car, vehicle, property, space. Electricity poles are located next to their houses and transformers are there. The things related to electricity causes trouble and danger. The problem of building a house due to it. The occurrence of an electrical accident. They have not done proper repairs in the matter related to the electricity while building a house, giving or not giving electricity. Too much of something and if something is inadequate, both are problem. It has a system that is experiencing problems related to it. A chemical plant, home appliances, chemical related to textiles, electrical equipment manufacturing, automobiles, spare parts manufacturing site, transportation related factory. Similarly, the house they live in and the area around that house through private companies. That soil air pollution is the next problem. A bigger problem when they think that they can buy a place and build a house long ago. The place will not help them because of the government. Bridge and many government nuisances, airport, railway station, bus stand, bridge, etc. will be planned there. This place will not help them. When that place is lost, they should be careful and alert. Such people should think of alternative arrangements. Legally, the document should be kept properly. Patta, Chitta, EC should be updated. In the family with Rahu Karma, there will be more disturbance for those who are related to 4 9 and 4 Jupiter and 4th Lord Sagittarius and 4th Lord sitting in Pusam, Visaham, Sadayam star will cause more harm to them. A person who does not have the favor of his ancestors will be in trouble like a huge thunderbolt in the family. Those who do not give Tidi should first give Tithi to those who live. Seek the blessings of the ancestors by more careful than others. Next, left corner 4774. Answer: Venus or Rahu conjunction with the fourth lord will give them karmic relationship related to house water supply, water pipe connection, underwater connection, sewerage water related problem, the problem of having too much water or the problem of not having water, the problem of water level, the problem of water in all anyways will be there, so care should be taken when planning to build a house or buy a built house. A lifelong water problem remains unsolved. 4-7, if there is a conjunction with Saturn, there will be waste water problem, waste water not coming out, workers are not available. Collect all the details related to water and then buy the house and property. Next, addition of Rahu 4774. Answer: they have to handle their mother-in-law property very carefully. They will have problems with mother-in-law property. Number 1, problem of not being able to enjoy. Number 2, government related problem. Number 3, mental burden, mental pain, headache. These problems will be predominantly found in moon karma related family. Next, 1-7-10 association with Rahu or Venus. Answer: Rahu or Venus in 10th house. Libra comes as 10th house. Lagana Lord 10th house Lord being in Bharani, Magam, Ketai and Uttaratadi stars. These combinations are moon karma. People with strong moon karma will have huge hotel, rice mill and so on. The matter related to moon karma should not be invested heavily. But if you do food related business with small investments, you will be successful. This is moon karma. If you have a strong combination, you can make a small investment. Brain, talent, labor, small investment will give big success. When you do like this, the business is the remedy for your karma. Catering business, small investment business, rice business will give great success. Next, Mars Karma Secret 10-11 Secret of Karma. Answer: wherever the Saturn sits, you get Mars Karma. 11th Lord character will be there. 11th Bhava, 11th Lord is in 10th position, then Mars Karma will be there is the rule. The civil engineer, mechanic, metals related studies, architecture, any kind of construction, shipbuilding, bridge building, railway track related sectors, martial arts, sports related business can be done. No matter how much skill they develop in this, they will reach an unbeatable development in that field. This is the strength of this Mars Karma. Kartigai Puram through Revati Lagana sign stars. 10-11 correlation. 10th lord sitting in Aquarius, 10th lord Saturn conjunct 10th lord having karma. If they go into this profession, they will get the name of career specialist. That profession is the remedy for Mars. This is subtle. Next, one should have moon karma to study psychology. Answer: 10th Bhava moon karmic connections. 6th Bhava 10th Lord moon is placed in moon karma star. Venus Rahu sitting in the 10th Bhava. 6-7 Bhava is associated with the 10th Bhava. If there is moon karma in it, the psychology will be running uniquely as punya karma. This is the remedy. The occupation itself is remedial as it treats the affected with a mental condition. Music aptitude 10-11 conjunction is Mars karma. 10th Saturn or 11th Lord in 11th 10th place. 10th Lord in stars of Mars karma. Aquarius as 10th Bhava. 10th Lord sitting in Aquarius. All these have Mars karma, and these people will have music aptitude and skill, but doing it as a business should be done with a thought. Next, utensils business is moon karma. Answer: Lord for metal is Mars. Moon and Mars karma are needed for running utensils shop. Venus and Saturn conjunction in 10th house, or Rahu and Saturn conjunction in 10th house. If these two planetary conjunction in 10th house are associated with the 10th lord, there is definitely in alliance made for stocking utensils. Small investment should be done. Do not invest heavily. 711 and 611 and 6711, all these three together are related to the 10th bhava, which makes you runs a utensils shop business. Next, Department of Medicine, Nervous System Studies, Neuroscience. Answer: Acupressure, acupuncture, skin and nerve. They are associated with the Mercury karmic sign. Mercury karmic record, Sun karmic record as Lagna and 10th Lord. Generally, one should have Sun karma to go into medical field. Lagna star 10th, 12th Lord Bhava conjoined. Kedu is Lagna and connection with 10th Bhava. Kedu in 10th Bhava. This connection is the first qualification for a doctor, especially if Kedu is in the 10th house, especially if the Lagna Lord stars then Sun Karma. Lagna Lord star all are Sun Karma. 10th Lord in Mercury Karma star. 10th Lord is in 12th. 12th Lord is in the 10th. Kedu is in 10th house. He is a doctor related to terminology, medicine related to neurology. If he has a combination of 10 and 12, he will excel in this profession. They will reach expert status. If you want to study other courses, you can study genetic engineering, genetic science, DNA research, medical science research course, microbiology, biotechnology. If you develop your skills through this course, you can become expert. This is the gift of birth. Next, neurology. Answer: Karmic association for surgery is Rahu. Rahu karma can be attributed to Jupiter planet, 9th house, Lord Kedu. Kedu is in the one who can tell Sun karma, 12th Lord sign. If Lagna Lord Rahu God karma from Lagna Sun karma and 10th house Lord Kedu Jupiter connections are 10th house Lord. 9, 12 Bhava connections are 12th Lord conjunction with the 9th Bhava Lord. All these will help you to become neurologist. From 9, 10, 12 combination, Lagna Lord sign star was Sun Karma or 10. Jupiter Kedu, if these three combination is strong, if there is a peak, even more vigor, medical and surgical expertise can be achieved. Sun karma and Rahu karma should be present for surgery, or Kedu planet should be conjunct in Jupiter planet. Jupiter karma must be there to perform brain surgery also. If any of these three planets, Sun, Moon and Mars, are sitting in the 10th house, there should be conjunction of Jupiter and Ketu with that planets. 10th Bhava Lord should have conjunction of Sun, Jupiter, Ketu or Moon, Jupiter, Ketu or Mars, Jupiter, Ketu. 1, 9, 12, 2, 9, 12, 5, 9, 12. With this combination, the 10th Bhava was associated with combination, aspection or contact. To perform brain surgery, these planetary combination must there. He can achieve recognition for himself. It is not a profession. It is a remedy for karma. His life will be remedy. Next, person is pharmaceutical manufacturing company. Answer: General medicine is Sun karma, pharmacy Moon karma, Rahu karma. Sixth bhava with 10th bhava sun karma, moon karma, Rahu karma. If there is this relationship, then if one develops his ability to make medicine and sell medicine, then his life itself will be a remedy for this karma. Next, pathologist. Answer: 10th Lord with Kedu in Pisces house, 12th Lord, 12th Bhava, Sun Karma for postmortem, Rahu Karma for surgery, Sun Rahu Saturn Karma combination of these three karmic records. Sun Rahu Saturn Karma associated with 10th Bhava. These three planets Kedu, Jupiter and Mercury are connected with the 10th Bhava and the 6th Bhava and the Lagna. Correspondence wise 6, 9, 12 Bhava are Lord conjunct 10th Lord Bhava 10th Lord addition, aspect and connection. 1, 6, 9, 10, 12 connection related person can be in pathology. Next, study of forensics. Answer: Saturn, Rahu, Mercury karma connected to 10th Bhava. Mercury, 6th Lord Saturn karma. Jupiter, 9th Bhava, 9th Lord Rahu karma. Rohini, Uttaram, Purva, Ashata, Mercury karma. 10th Bhava point 10th Lord Mercury karma must be there. With 10th Bhava, 10th Lord, 6th Bhava, 9th Bhava getting in touch or conjunction of Jupiter and Mercury, there is an opportunity to studies forensic. 6, 9, 10 plus Mercury karma, 10th Bhava and 10th Lord Jupiter plus Mercury. That's all. Thank you, thank you, thank you.